Were you convicted of a felony and now want your gun rights restored? Hi, I'm Northern Virginia criminal defense attorney Scott Nolan, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can get your gun rights restored. Felonies can cover a wide range of topics. It could be something horrible and violent, but it could also be a mistake. Maybe you passed a bad check. Maybe you made a foolish decision when you were 18, and now you're convicted of a felony and stuck with it for life. Or are you? Virginia, along with many other states, have begun to rehabilitate felons, especially those who are nonviolent or whose felonies occurred a long time ago. Governor of Virginia recently restored the civil rights to hundreds of thousands of Virginians who were convicted of a felony. That is, they're now able to vote, they're able to stand for election, they're able to do a lot of things that they couldn't previously do. But the one thing the governor doesn't have the authority to restore is those former felons' gun rights. To do that, you need the permission of a circuit court. So here are the requirements. Well, first of all, you have to have been convicted of a felony. Obviously not an issue otherwise. Number two, you have to have had your civil rights restored by the governor. If you're a felon and your civil rights have not been restored, then you must do that first before you can get your gun rights back. Once your civil rights have been restored, there are a number of other eligibility requirements. You cannot have been convicted of a felony in any federal court, and you cannot have been convicted of your felony only in another state. Weirdly, if you've been convicted in another state and Virginia of a felony, there's a possibility. But if your felony conviction was in another state, you have to deal with that other state. Virginia cannot restore your gun rights. If you meet all of those eligibility requirements, then you can apply to the circuit court in the county where you live for the restoration of your gun rights. There'll be a hearing. The judge will decide based on your record, based on your life since the conviction on the felony, and based on the circumstances of the felony itself. The judge will decide whether or not to restore your gun rights. If you have any questions about having your gun rights restored, give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you about it. And you have a great day.